Tired of seeing those stubborn roots or gray hairs every time you look in the mirror? Clairol Nice and Easy Root Touch-Up Kits promise a quick, easy fix that blends perfectly with your current hair color, even if you've had a salon treatment. Imagine covering those roots in just 10 minutes, with a natural finish that lasts up to 3 weeks. No more waiting for your next salon visit or stressing over uneven color. What makes Nice and Easy stand out? It's the precision brush that comes with each kit. Designed for effortless application, this tool lets you target roots and grays with salon-level accuracy. The formula mixes seamlessly with leading medium brown shades, so your color looks flawless and natural, no harsh lines or fake tones. Customers across the U.S. praise how easy it is to use and how well it matches their hair, making root touch-ups a quick and mess-free part of their routine. The magic behind Nice and Easy is its commitment to real-looking color that enhances your natural beauty. Instead of harsh chemicals or unnatural hues, it offers 100% gray coverage that blends in with your hair's unique tones. Whether you want to maintain your current shade, experiment with highlights, or simply cover grays, this line has you covered. Plus, the results hold up under sunlight, so your secret stays safe. If you're someone who values convenience without sacrificing quality, this kit is worth a look. It's not just about coloring your hair, it's about feeling confident every day with a fresh, natural look. The ergonomic brush and easy formula mean you can touch up roots on your own schedule, saving time and money on salon visits. Ready to take control of your hair color? Try Clairol Nice and Easy Root Touch-Up Kits when you're ready to refresh your look with natural, lasting color. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. No roots, no grays, just beautiful hair that looks like you just stepped out of the salon.